Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to prevent searching for your Facebook account through your phone number or through your email. It is a very simple method that does not require any programs. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Facebook account. After that, click on the profile icon. After that, click here on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After that, click here on Privacy. Here you will find who can find your Facebook account. Click on it. After that, here you can choose everyone and you can choose only friends. We do not care about this. What matters to us is that you click on the next. After that, here, who can search for you by email, phone number, or search engine. Click on the next. Here you choose no one can find your account from the email to anyone. And who can get your account by your number? No one. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.